Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this has been a statement and a sentiment echoed by Vybz Kartel and his defense attorneys, along with the defense attorneys for all the co-accused, that the actions of the state are indeed corrupt when dealing with a certain class of Jamaican citizens. Now, Movado has found himself in the same situation, or rather his son, viewers and subscribers. And for the better part, people are saying that Movado's son is indeed being punished for his situation and the fact that the state could not place charges against him. Now his statement is, and I quote, "Some people are so wicked. How could a man change his statement over 4 times?" Something we would remember from Vybz Kartel's trial and appeal as well. He went further to say, even went on the stand and said that the police altered his statement, something we remember from the witness statement during Vybz Kartel's trial as well. He also said the police came to my house and took my son from my house in Norbrook. Seem like how them go for Vybz Kartel at the hotel after the last episode of his Teacher's Pet series, something that was big for dancehall and the culture, the same culture them love to talk about. Now, he said they also took into custody 5 other family members for no reason, which resulted in 2 of those family members losing their jobs because they were behind the bars for a number of days without any charges. So them couldn't tell them employer what was taking place. Them couldn't say, alright, them are gonna let me go tomorrow. Them can't say, alright, we're gonna wait for this bail hearing. Nothing, causing these 2 individuals to lose their way of earning. Yo, it's rough. And that's how we say these situations when we discuss them, people, sometimes it's not even about the individuals itself, but just the situation, the fact that these are the issues faced by our citizens, viewers and subscribers. Now he said the man went on the stand and said that these same officers who carried out the arrest on his son and on his family from his home were working for him and he feared for his life. Then he said this individual who claimed he feared for his life still gave over 14 pages of statements. He said the inconsistencies of this witness's statements only show the corruption, and he promises to fight for the lives of these 2 innocent youths. He said it was like his son was found guilty even before trial, something we would remember that was discussed and proved in Vybz Kartel's case. But he said he's going to point out everything and the injustice one day at a time. So he's saying his new campaign is to not only file an appeal, but to also fight the injustice he's seen taking place in the state. Now, we have stated this on countless occasions, to the point that some people even say, why you talk about this? See it? We have pointed out on numerous occasions that we have diverse content right here on the channel. If you wish not to partake or even listen to these discussions, these important discussions, then look at one of the other videos. We have videos about the music, about the different achievements of Vybz Kartel as an artist and for dancehall as a genre. But in this case, viewers and subscribers, these are matters of importance that have to be discussed. See it? Movado never said the severity of the situation until it was faced by his son. He never said it was a big issue of concern until him youth find himself behind the bars. That is why I'm saying to you viewers and subscribers, that's what Vybz Kartel is saying in our song, and we are going live later on. So look out for the live at 10, by God bless him. The teacher say, you know why youth use pencil and big people use pen? Mistakes of the young can be erased. As a nation, we are still at that phase, and with it being Black History Month as well, and every month is Black History Month. So let's get that in mind. Now, the actions of a young state can be erased and we can build new. Yes, what has taken place, but we can right the wrongs and move forward for a better state. Everybody are talking about a better day with these same laws, with these same leaders. We don't see it, because the mindset is what has to be changed. The youth them are forward up in a blank slate, still naive to the actions of the adults. Them don't know what go on or why we do what we do. Them don't see it. Some gravitate to it, some just follow. Some take the time out for actually overs what is taking place. Very few do. But we have the unique opportunity to create and set a certain standard for the next generation. We are forward up. Remember, laws of the justice system affect every factor of whether it be business, education. It affects every factor of life as a community, then on a wider scale as a nation. Because if the laws are oppressive to you and you find it hard to achieve an income, then you will do what you have to do to achieve that income, and you will find yourself on what? The opposite sides of the law, till you will deem yourself as an outlaw. And with an outlaw mindset, then you will not apply or think that the rules of the society apply to you, causing a breakdown by feet in the laws and the respect of the laws of the land. And then we'll find ourselves in this situation where we know we have a corrupt system, but we feel powerless to do anything about it, because the mindset for years upon years is that they are just something set. We have found ourselves, viewers and subscribers, in a unique place. Even Vybz himself find himself in a unique place now, and feel like it is now something important for him speak out against the injustice. And him say a day at a time, so him knows it's a thing where it not gonna happen right now just with this post. He knows that no have to put in the work. He has seen what has happened with Vybz Kartel and his appeal. And truth be told, we cannot tell you about any successful appeals locally. For the better part, the system will cover for the system. So if a trial judge found him guilty, chances are an appeal judge tribunal will also uphold the sentence handed out or the conviction. So even though his attorneys have already said that they are ready to file that appeal motion, we know that the odds are stacked against him, just based on the nature of the situation and the fact that him already pointed out what took place in the trial itself. But we know Dante hope for the best. We know him well wishes that hope for the best. A young youth, as I would say, we would never want to see something to any individual. So if you see it happen to a young youth, you have him future, you know what I mean? And then we never hear how much years him go get. Yes, Tamil Sparta went to court today as well. As soon as that story develops, we will be letting you know what has taken place. We're not hearing a word yet, but as soon as we hear some info, we're going to definitely keep abreast of that. You know what I mean? Because the ladies are going to bring the news come. Yes, I them have it. So as soon as we hear a go on, I'm making know what go on. But for the better part, Vybz, as them say, who the cap fit. And now in that particular situation now, you know, I guess more and more people as the time go by, even without facing these situations, are now seeing the importance of these discussions, viewers and subscribers. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, drop a like on the blog for me, like where you was a shape on the blog in truth. Comment section and like icon located in close proximity, so you can drop a like, set speed, and then tell a friend for tell them sister and then brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion via the comment section, which is open 24/7 and never lack yet. No matter what them tell you, the comment section is always open. Now, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. That's just it. And I saw the thing work. And we said it, so it's said. Now, drop your comments there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, my sentiments for you and yours, and for those who don't know it, is up move settings. Yeah, man. Up move settings. I wanna need a lot of fun. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.